Erin Joyce, the District Consultant for the Oil Creek Library District, which covers the public libraries in Clarion, Jefferson, and Venango counties. I'm here today to give a little overview of our new magazines feature. The exact layout on your device may look a little different depending on the size of your screen, but the elements are all going to be the same. We are able to offer over 2,000 magazines that you can find in our magazines guide right here at the top of the app. When you click on that, the magazines are displayed by topic in the guide. So you can just scroll down and look by topic this way. Or you can go to all titles and do a sort under refine by subject, just like you can with any other books. Today, I'm going to filter this by culture and literature and walk you through the checking out process. When you select a title, here we're using Writing Magazine. You'll see the picture of the most current issue and a summary of what the magazine offers. If you're looking for back issues, say you missed one, or you're looking for a specific article, you can scroll down and see all of the back issues. You can click the little down arrow here to continue farther back than that initial list. You are able to sample magazines just like books if you click the Read Sample. When you're ready to borrow the issue, just click Borrow or the little card icon. If you click the little card icon, you'll see this pop up. For other ones, you just click that and then Borrow. When it's a new magazine, you'll get this little pop-up about whether you would like to be notified of new issues and add your Notify Me tag to this title to subscribe. You can choose to do that or not now. We'll cover how to do that in another video. When you open a magazine in Libby, you'll see two toolbars come up when you're on the screen. This one on the bottom, this is the magazine view on the chapter page toolbar. And then up at the top, you will see your traditional toolbar buttons with the bookmarks. This one is the search in feature, the zoom feature. This button here is the page view, so you can change this to show one page at a time, or the two-page spread like you would see in a printed magazine. And then you have the A, which is the appearance button. When you click on this, you'll see a text scale here, but it doesn't really change in this view. And when you do the bright, sepia, or the dark, it just changes the background of the pages, so just be aware of that. You can change to the lines on the navigator instead of the page view. And then there's this article button. The article view button, you can choose when that appears, and I'll show you the article view button here in a second. You can just hide those. If you want to get rid of those toolbars, just click in the middle of a page and it goes away. This button here in the bottom center is your article view button. If you click that, it takes the articles, and instead of having them in a print traditional published, it puts them into a mobile continuous scroll format. This here is the view that you can change the text size on and the color of the actual background of the screen. So if you are looking for where to do that, this is the view you want to do it in your article view. It puts everything in a mobile responsive format. You can use the little hands at the top to go through, or you can click in the middle and go through all of the articles in a table of contents type format. You can always click the down button to get back to the traditional page. Click in the middle of the page and you'll get back to the view. If you have the magazine page view on, you'll be able to click on the actual pages you want, or you can just click on the lines. I hope this helps you enjoy your magazines a little bit more and have a happy reading day.